In this video, I'm going to talk about a grocery stock that I recently purchased, which is trading at about 28% below the recent high. There are 6 reasons why I bought this stock, and I will explain all of them in details. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not have any formal training on any accounting or on finance. Hello, my name is David Doss. Welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is Think and Retire, and I normally post videos on building wealth and income from the stock market. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, as you will be notified as soon as I upload new videos. So let's get started. The name of the company is Empire Company Limited. The ticker symbol is EMP-A.TO in Yahoo Finance. If you look at Morningstar, it's EMP.A. And if you look at the stockcharts.com, it is EMP/A.TO. This is not a recommendation to buy this stock. Please do your own research and make sure that you follow your own money management and risk management principles. They have well-known brand names such as Safeway, Sobeys, IGA, Freshco, Thrifty Foods, and few others. They also have a real estate division. They also have the retail fuel locations and some liquor stores. Now let me get into the 6 reasons why I bought the stock. So reason number 1 is that it is an essential part of our life. Whether it's a recession, inflation, interest rate going up, war, pandemic, we all need food, we all need groceries. So the market is always going to be there. Reason number 2, competitive pricing. Frankly, I did not go to these grocery stores in the past as much as I go there today, because they have brought some prices down and they advertise that every week. And based on that, I make my decision whether to go to these stores or not. And I'm sure a lot of other people are also thinking the same. And this information is reflected in the revenue growth for the last few years. And I will talk about the financials a bit later. Reason number 3, buying a business. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy is centered around buying a business, not just stocks. When I bought the shares of this company, I was thinking long term, and I think I bought a good business. Reason number 4, the return for the last 5 years. It has grown 35% almost in the last 5 years without including the dividends. So if you just do a simple math without any complex compound formula, it's about 7% increase per year, which I think it's a pretty good number. Reason number 5, very strong financials. As I just mentioned, the revenue has been growing up for the last many years. In 2019, the revenue was $25.1 billion. And in 2022, the revenue has grown to $30.2 billion. And they have also done very well in terms of earnings per share. The earnings per share was $1.42 in 2019, which has grown to $2.80 in 2022. It's doubled. And same thing happened with the free cash flow. It was $451 million in 2019. That has grown to $1.3 billion in 2022. Dividend per share is also growing steadily for the last 10 years. And if you look at the 2 recent videos I made on the dividend safety, the dividends for all these years were covered by the earnings and the free cash flow, which is a very positive thing to have. Their payout ratio for 2022 was below 25%, which I think is also very good. So from dividend safety point of view, this stock meets the 3 criteria as I explained in my 2 recent videos. Reason number 6 is undervalued. According to the dividend yield theory, on which I made a video recently, the forward yield is 1.92%, while the 5-year average yield is 1.5%. So there is a lot of room for growth. If you look at the long-term chart, the price has fallen about 28% from the recent high, and it is sitting at a very strong support level. Now, the most important information I'm going to share is I bought this stock at the end of February at about $36 per share. Right now, as of closing on Friday, March 24th, the stock price is $33.91. So I have some unrealized loss in this investment, and I'm very confident that over a long period of time, I will be on the winning side. I hope you like this video. Thank you for joining, and I will see you in the next one.